Hey guys, it's your girl Itschaybabii, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on my brows. Well, they're not done. I'm going to obviously do them. So, if you want to see how I do my new eyebrows, keep watching. So what I use first is my Tattoo Studio brow pomade from Maybe It's Maybelline. And I use a slanted brush with the spoolie on the other side. It comes with the pomade, so you come with the whole package. So what I do is brush it out first. So what I do is outline the shape you want and simply just fill it in. I start with the bottom, then I go with the top.
You stay on my mind almost all the time. Can you help me here? Get my mind to clear. Feelings everywhere. 'Cause I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To warm my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say it's okay. Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love.
Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And the way I conceal it is the same way I fill in my brows, but I just do underneath and above. It just gives you that crispy, clean outline.
I don't know if you're into me, just know that I'm into you. Don't know if I'm your type, because I am indecisive. You know that I'm a mess, I am young, dumb, and misread, and I am not just a friend. One day can I be?
Now this brow, I'm gonna show you how to do it with the brush. I technically do the same thing, just with the concealer brush.
Almost all the time. Can you help me here? Get my mind to clear. Feelings everywhere. 'Cause I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To warm my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say it's okay. Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I...
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you like the brows. Tried very hard, and yeah. Alright guys, bye.